Hey there, folks. Welcome back to Money Mind Motion, where we cut through the BS on building real wealth in this crazy economy. Today, we're diving headfirst into something that's hitting way too many of us right here in the good old US of A, the sneaky money habits that are straight up keeping you poor. Yeah, you heard that right. It's November 2025, inflation's still biting at groceries and gas, tariffs are jacking up prices on everything from your morning coffee to that new iPhone. And yet, over half of us are living paycheck to paycheck. According to the latest Ramsey Solutions State of Personal Finance report from the second quarter of this year, a whopping 52% of American adults are scraping by without a dime to spare at month's end. That's not just a stat. That's families in Texas diners, young pros in Seattle apartments, and retirees in Florida condos wondering how the hell they're gonna make rent. Look, I've been there. Bills piling up like snow in a Chicago winter, credit card statements looking like a bad horror movie. But the truth? Most of us aren't broke because of some grand conspiracy. It's these 10 everyday habits sneaking into our wallets like thieves in the night. We're talking real data, straight from 2025 sources like Bankrate, TransUnion, and the Federal Reserve. I'll break them down, show you the damage, and give you dead simple fixes to flip the script. Stick around, because by the end, you'll have a roadmap to stack cash instead of stress. Let's jump in. Habit number 1, living paycheck to paycheck. That endless cycle of just getting by. Y'all, this one's the kingpin. You're earning a decent wage, maybe $60,000, $80,000 a year. But every 2 weeks, that direct deposit vanishes like smoke. Ramsey's Q2 2025 report nails it. 52% of us are in this boat, up from last year because food prices are the top stressor for 61% of adults. Eggs alone? Only 28% of folks say their cost is dropping per the same study. The damage? No buffer for job loss or car trouble, so one hiccup lands you in debt. Fix it. Track your income minus essentials, rent, food, gas, and force 10% into savings first. Apps like YNAB, you need a budget, make it dummy-proof. Boom. Break the cycle in 90 days. Habit number 2, skipping the emergency fund. 'Cause it won't happen to me. Famous last words, right? Bankrate's 2025 annual emergency savings report is brutal. 24% of us have zero emergency savings, and another 30% can't cover 3 months of bills. Gen Z? 34% with nada in the bank. Why? Inflation's the culprit. 73% say rising prices killed their saving game this year. Hit with a $400 vet bill or roof leak, you're borrowing at 20% plus interest. Ouch. The fix. Start small. $1,000 goal in a high-yield savings account, pulling 4 to 5% APY right now. Automate $50 a paycheck. In 6 months, you're unbreakable. Number 3, racking up. High-interest credit card debt. Your wallet's silent killer. We're talking carrying balances month to month, folks. TransUnion's first quarter 2025 data? Average credit card debt per borrower hit $6,371, up 5% from last year. And get this, 33% of Americans have more credit card debt than emergency savings per Bankrate. That's like digging a hole with a shovel made of $100 bills. Interest compounds to 24%, APR easy, turning a $500 splurge into $700 owed. Fix. Snowball method. Pay minimums on all, attack the smallest balance first. Apps like Undebt.it, track it free. Freedom tastes sweet. Habit number 4, impulse and emotional spending, that treat-yourself trap. Stressed from work? Sad after a breakup? Boom, Amazon cart full. More Momentum's 2025 analysis says 96% of us confess to impulse buys, and 84% justify it with, "I deserve it." In a YouGov poll this September, 65% reported money stress fueling these binges. Result? $200 vanished on junk you forget by Tuesday, eroding your net worth. Dallas folks blowing on Cowboys gear, NYCers on Ubers. It's universal. Fix. The 48-hour rule. Add to cart. Wait 2 days. If you still need it, go. Watch your savings soar. 5. Lifestyle creep. Upgrading life faster than your paycheck. New job, 10% raise. Congrats. Instead of banking it, you're eyeing that SUV or bigger apartment. Ramsey's report, 42% of us admire folks with fancy homes, cars, and threads, fueling this envy spiral. With 36% of six-figure earners still paycheck to paycheck, Dave Ramsey study, it's epidemic. Creep adds $500 per month easy. Hello? Poverty loop. Fix. Match raises to savings goals. That $5,000 bump, 50% to investments, 50% fun. Keep driving that 18 Honda a bit longer. It'll thank you in retirement. Habit number 6. No budget. Just winging it like it's a BBQ. Ever wonder where your money goes? Poof. Gone. Wells Fargo's 2025 money study. Over 75% cut back spending this year, but half feel judged for it 'cause no plan. Without tracking, you're blind. Small leaks sink ships. Fix. Zero-based budgeting. Income minus every dollar assigned equals zero left. Free tools like Mint or Every Dollar. Atlanta hustlers, Cali dreamers, budget like a boss, live like a king. 7. Subscription overload. That forgot I had this drain. Netflix, Spotify, gym apps, easy sign-ups, forgotten cancels. Americans drop $219 per month on subs, but use only 50%. Per 2025 consumer data. That's $2,600 a year down the tubes. With 48% saving less than last year, Marist Yahoo Finance poll, this is low-hanging fruit. Fix. Audit monthly, cancel 3, you skip. Tools like Rocket Money, Hunt 'em Auto. Pocket that cash for a rainy day fund. 8. Low financial literacy. Guessing at the game. Pew's late 2024 data, still spot on for 2025, shows only 54% of us know a great deal about personal finance. Result? Bad calls like low-yield savings, under 1% when 5% is free. YouGov 2025. Many feel insecure despite caution. Fix. Read The Total Money Makeover or Khan Academy free courses. Knowledge compounds faster than interest. 9. Procrastinating on goals. I'll start Monday syndrome. Debt payoff. Investing. Tomorrow's promise. Go banking rates, cites Jaspreet Singh. Too comfy binging Netflix, 2.8 hours per day, Deloitte March, 2025. Social Security, only 40% income replacement. 31% doubt it'll exist, Ramsey. Fix, set micro goals, $100 to Roth IRA this week. Apps like Acorns round up purchases. Momentum beats perfection. Finally, 10. FOMO and social pressure spending, keeping up with the Joneses 2.0. Instagram flexes got you dropping $200 on dinners to fit in. More momentum. Social FOMO drives overspend. With 72% of young adults tweaking finances for costs. Bank of America, July 2025. It's peer pressure on steroids. Fix. Curate your feed. Unfollow spendy influencers. Host potlucks over steakhouses. True wealth? Friends who value you, not your tab. There you have it, America. The 10 habits robbing you blind in 2025. backed by the numbers we can't ignore. But here's the good news. Awareness is half the battle. Pick one habit today, maybe that emergency fund, and commit. You're not alone. From the Rust Belt to the Sun Belt, we're in this together. Hit like if this hit home, subscribe for weekly wealth wins, and drop a comment. Which habit's your biggest foe? Let's build that American dream, one smart dollar at a time. See y'all next week. Stay wealthy.